Hello students, I hope you will be fine, safe and happy. In previous lectures we have completed the lesson 3.3, the last leaf. Okay, and now in this lecture we are going to discuss the activities of this lesson, last leaf, the last leaf. Page number 70. Page number 70 there is a English workshop और English workshop में हम discussion करेंगे एक्टिविटीज के बारे में. सो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस एक्टिविटीज. ओके, एक्टिविटीज एंड इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप. एक्टिविटीज एंड इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप ऑफ लास्ट लीफ. फर्स्ट एक्टिविटी, रीड द स्टोरी एंड चूज द एप्रोप्रिएट मीनिंग. जैसे कि स्ट्रगलिंग आर्टिस्ट डैश डैश डैश. स्ट्रगलिंग आर्टिस्ट artist fighting with another, trying hard to earn living, and artist painting war scenes. तो उसमें सेकंड ऑप्शन करेक्ट है, struggling artist trying hard to earn living. So second one is the correct option. Second, skeleton branches. Skeleton branches, bones branching out of from joints, leafy branches or bare branches. So skeleton branches, bare branches. So third option is correct. Wielded the brush. Wielded the brush, painted skillfully, broke the brush, joined the broken brush. First one, painted skillfully. D, palette, the tip of the brush, a board used by artists to mix colors, a fancy dinner plate. So second one is correct. A board used by artists to mix colors. And last, masterpiece. What is the meaning of masterpiece? Masterpiece is a master who promotes peace, the very first creation of an artist, an exceptionally beautiful work of art. Third one is correct, an exceptionally beautiful work of art. Okay, so activity first completed. Now activity second. Activity second, make pairs of sentences to show the difference between the meanings of the following homographs from the story. These are the homographs: interest, well, left, just, mind. These are homographs, and you have to write two sentences showing difference between two different meanings. आपको दो different meaning दिखाने हैं. अब जैसे कि पहला जो वर्ड है, पहला वर्ड है इंटरेस्ट. ओके, अब दो प्रकार के इंटरेस्ट है. इंटरेस्ट, जैसे कि इंटरेस्ट में, इंटरेस्ट यू हैव टू राइट टू सेंटेंस. सो फर्स्ट वन इज व्हाट? डू यू हैव इंटरेस्ट? डू यू हैव इंटरेस्ट इन हिस्ट्री? डू यू हैव इंटरेस्ट इन हिस्ट्री? तो ये इंटरेस्ट एक फीलिंग है. और दूसरा, you have to pay interest. You have to pay interest of this amount. You have to pay interest of this amount. तो ये इंटरेस्ट मतलब क्या? जो प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट के ऊपर इंटरेस्ट होता है वो इंटरेस्ट. ओके, और पहला वाला इंटरेस्ट क्या है? feeling. Do you have interest in history? So in this way you have to show difference between interest and interest, means the two different meanings. Okay, दूसरा word है well. Okay, ये तो आपको पता ही है well. So what is well? So don't worry, I am well. Okay, I am well, I am fine. और दूसरा well क्या है? The tiger fell into well. Okay, ये दूसरा well है. First well and second well. The tiger fell into well. Okay, so in this way you have to write the sentences. Okay, rest of the words do at home. We will move to next activity. Activity number 3. State of facts about the story. आपको स्टोरी के बारे में लिखना है. जैसे कि मेन कैरेक्टर. अब इसमें मेन कैरेक्टर कौन है? जॉन्सी, सियो एंड बेयरमन. उनका प्रॉब्लम क्या था? जॉन्सी का प्रॉब्लम क्या था वो लिखना है. अटेम्प्ट्स मेड टू सॉल्व इट. तो उसको सॉल्व करने के लिए शिव ने क्या अटेम्प्ट्स किया, शी कॉल्ड द डॉक्टर, ओके, एंड शी एनकरेज्ड जॉन्सी एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा। क्लाइमैक्स क्या था, एंडिंग पॉइंट या टर्निंग पॉइंट क्या था? टर्निंग पॉइंट वाज when the bearman had painted that last leaf, okay, when it had fallen, that was the turning point. Problem solve हुआ, end कैसे हुआ, etc etc, okay. So page number 71 complete हुआ. Now page number 72 activity number 4, say whether the following statements are right or wrong, okay. जैसे कि पहला, Shiv and Jhansi were close friends, right. Shiv was a rich girl, no, wrong. Jhansi was hopeful that she will live, no, wrong, she was not hopeful. D, Behrman was a hard-hearted person, okay, yes, correct. The last leaf fell off during the rain, correct, right है. और F, Jhansi realized that her thinking was wrong, yes, correct, right. And G, last one, Behrman did not know anything about the last leaf on the ivy, no, it is wrong. G1 is wrong, okay. So number 4 activity complete हो गई. Now activity number 5, correct the following statements. अब इस statements को correct करना है. First one, A, Shiv and Jhansi were good neighbors, no, they were not good neighbors, they were close friends, okay. Shiv and Jhansi were close friends, this is the correction. B, Jhansi was eager to recover from her illness, no, Jhansi was not eager to recover, you can say that Jhansi wanted to die with the last leaf, okay, she wanted to die with the last leaf, she was not eager to recover from her illness. C, Shiv ignored Jhansi completely, no, Shiv did not ignore, Shiv paid attention, Shiv looked after Jhansi well, or Shiv looked after Jhansi completely, okay. Then D, Behrman was a very heartless person, no, he was not heartless person, okay. And E, the real ivy leaf did not fall off at all, no, and last night or in the rainy night the real ivy leaf fell. And F, the last leaf was a real leaf that survived, no, the last leaf was not real leaf, it was actually a painting of leaf, okay. So activity 5 completed. Activity 6, read the descriptions of the following from the story and describe any one of them using your own words. जैसे कि ivy vine, Behrman, then last leaf that Jhansi saw. इसके बारे में आपको क्या लिखना है, डिस्क्रिप्शन लिखना है. 3 या 4 लाइन में आपको डिस्क्राइब करना है कि ivy vine क्या थी, Behrman कौन था, या last leaf that Jhansi saw, वो last leaf क्या था. So you can write it easily with the help of lesson. Okay. Now activity 7. You have learned that a clause is a group of words that has a subject and verb. अब clause के बारे में आपने पढ़ा है कि what is clause? Clause has a subject and verb. एक sentence होता है जिस sentence में subject भी होता है, verb भी होता है, that is clause, and it is a part of larger sentence, और वो एक larger sentence का part होता है. एक्चुअली क्लॉज में 2 सेंटेंस आते हैं, लेकिन उस 2 का एक ही सेंटेंस होता है, और क्लॉज लार्जर पार्ट होता है सेंटेंस का. इन द सेंटेंस एग्जांपल दिया गया है, वी रिटर्न होम व्हेन स्कूल वाज ओवर, वी रिटर्न होम व्हेन स्कूल वाज ओवर. देयर आर 2 sentences, there are 2 clauses. We return home, first sentence. When school was over, second sentence. Okay, we return home and when school was over. The first one makes complete sense, so it is called main clause or principal clause. Main clause कौन सा होता है, जो सेंटेंस हमें complete sense या complete meaning देता है, that is main clause or principal clause. The second one is not complete by itself. When the school was over, ये जो सेकेंड सेंटेंस है उसका जो सेंस है, उसका जो मीनिंग है वो पूरी तरह से कंप्लीट नहीं होता। इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द मेन क्लॉज। ओके, दूसरा जो सेंटेंस है वो पहले सेंटेंस पर यानी मेन क्लॉज पर डिपेंड है टू कन्वे प्रॉपर सेंस, टू कन्वे प्रॉपर मीनिंग, so it is called dependent or subordinate clause. So second one is called dependent clause or subordinate clause because it depends on main clause. When is the joining word and it is called a subordinator. अब जो when है वो when क्या है? When is a joining word, दो सेंटेंस को ज्वाइन करने वाला वर्ड है, इसीलिए उसको कहा गया है सबऑर्डिनेटर। When is what? When is a subordinator. Okay, so now there are examples. In the following sentences, point out main clause, subordinate clause and circle the subordinator. और subordinator को क्या करना है? encircle करना है। जैसे मैंने encircle किया था वैसे encircle करना है subordinator को। Okay, so now we will solve these sentences. First one, there was a colony where many struggling artists live. Okay, there was colony, main clause, where many struggling artists live, subordinate clause, और इसमें subordinator कौन सा है? Where. Where is the subordinator? Second sentence, though Sue looked after well, Johnsy show no signs of improvement. ये सेंटेंस थोड़ा अलग है, देखो। Though Sue looked after her well, Johnsy show no signs of improvement. इसमें सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज है पहला, though Sue looked after her well, this is a subordinate clause. हाँ, Johnsy show no signs of improvement, this is main clause. Keep in mind, सेंटेंस अलग है, हर बार जो है मेन क्लॉज पहले नहीं होता, वो बाद में भी आ सकता है। ओके, सो Johnsy show no signs of improvement, this is main clause. Though Sue looked after her well, subordinate clause, and subordinator is though. Subordinator is though. Okay, keep in mind. Sentence number 3. Sue thought that she had fallen asleep. Sue thought main clause, that she had fallen asleep subordinate clause, and subordinator is that. Okay, subordinator is that. Number 4, old Behrman was a painter who lived on the ground floor. Old Behrman was a painter, main clause, who lived on the ground floor, subordinate clause, and who? Subordinator. Who is what? Subordinator. दो सेंटेंस को ज्वाइन किया है। नंबर E, Johnsy was sleeping when the two went upstairs. Main clause, Johnsy was sleeping. Subordinate clause, when the two went upstairs. Subordinator, when. Subordinator कौन सा है? When. And the last sentence, I want to see the last one before it falls. Main clause, I want to see the last one. Subordinate clause, before it falls. And subordinator कौन सा है? Subordinator before. Okay, so ये ग्रामर का भी एक इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है। एग्जाम को आपको ये टॉपिक के सेंटेंस आ सकते हैं, so pay attention to this topic. Okay, so in this way we have completed all the activities of 3.3. So in the next lecture we will start 3.4. Okay, till then, goodbye.